Hi, Marshall. Shams, Sup. Syed, hello. Genji, Hans, this. What about my hands? What's wrong with my hands? Hi, ice, chicken baby. Ice, chicken baby. Sayo. Baliw na ako. Sana all baliw. Epekto ng... Thank you so much, Sayed. Epekto ng, ginagabi. Sana all baliw. I. Ano na, matulog ka na, Inuumaga ka na, at kaibigan kong at. Hindi pa ako inaantok, be. Mamaya mga 1. Kasi pag ako natulog ng 12, sasakit yung head ko. Kiyoshi! Ayun lang kita nakita, Kiyoshi. How are you, my friend? Ay po, crush parang ito dyan. Kiyoshi, hello. How are you, my friend? How are you? Pasyahan ka dyan, be. Ay, nagloloko mo ako. The boss is coming. Anong crush ka dyan? Hi, love. Ano yun? Gab pala. Sorry. Gab. Nabdid na po ito. Mr. Panda, hello. Pinagsasabi mo dyan, be. Pinapatawa mo naman ako maigi. Ano? Patawa ka, be. Syahan ka dyan, B. Pinapatawa mo naman ng ate mo. Naiba na pati ang mo, yung intro mo. Hi, Steven Fox. Ha? Mag-up? Gusto kita mo ka, PK. Karuna. PK, para kita mo ka, te. Para kahit mag-send language ka na. Hi, ay, kita mo, wala. No, I don't time. I can't. My hair is new reband. I can't tie it. I can't tie it last like this. I am new reband, be. Hindi ko siya pwede iganto. Hindi, bawal. Kasi I'm new reband. Bawal ako maganyan. It's new reband. You know? I can't tie my hair like this. I can't. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Maybe 3 months naman na to. Pasyahan ka. Kaya ano ko, be? Ilang linggo ka nang napasok dito. Ilang araw na. Ngayon mo lang napansin na rebanded yung buhok ko. It's rebanded, you know. I saw it. Hindi. Honey, hello. Hindi kita mapapatawad. Hindi kita mapapatawad. Hi, honey. Honey, who? Bugaong ka, bulaan ka, be. How are you, my dear friend? Fine. Okay, that's good. I'm glad to know that. I'm glad to know that you're fine. I'm not galit, ha? I'm not galit, be. Ano ba? May Gcash ko. Sana all may Gcash. Yan, di ba? Morning. Anyari? Look at me. Look at me. Eyes to eyes. Nose to nose. Ears to ears. Ayawalan, shall we? Look at me. Who are you? ID number, shall we? ID numbers? Yes, baby. I devilry. Is that devilry? Nose to nose? Ay, sorry. Cons Jeff, hello. Sorry, wala nga palang ilong. Sorry. Sige, eyes to eyes na lang. Eyes to eyes na lang. Okay, baby Bri, hello. Yes, maganda naman. Wala naman pinabang itong kagandahan. Hello. Kung wala kang ilong, ganda na lang yung ambag mo sa mundo. Hindi na ilong. Hi, Pilmark. Shall we po? Yes. Yan. Pag nakaganyan na medyo okay naman siya. Maliit lang pati naman yan sa personal. Hindi naman siya yung busagarat. Ano ang tawag dun, be? Yung, yun? Yung ganun? Bulaklak, ano yun? Wala nga, kahit mag-side view ako, wala yan, be, oh. Pinagdolo ko mo ba ako? Ang channel, shall we? Pinagdolo ko mo ba ako, te? Ha? Kita mo to? Mampug kita dito. Kita mo yan? Kita mo to? Mampug kita dito. Hi, Dark Shadow. Hello. Hi, Kuya Ray. Ampog kita sa aking muscle. Okay. Hi, Rek. Hi, Rek. Wrecker? As in home wrecker? No, I'm not. I do not fight with you. You too. Jet. Aye. Wala, be. Wala, di kita maintindihan. Sabi ko. Ganahan ko, anak. That English me, okay? Okay, I will done English yun na. Hala, yung ilong ko punong-puno na, be. Ay, no. Parang ako sisipunin dito, gagi. Baka sipunin ako bigla. Yeah, here, go back. Here, go back, please. I better go now. Enjoy life. Oh, English, I better go now. Okay, bye. Thank you for your time, my friend. Thank you. Good night. Love lots. One day, isang araw, ako'y may nakita. One day, isang ibon. Hi, shall we ID number? ID number 890216. Shall we? Hi, Sheng. Are you there? Joke, no? Pong, hello. Kuya Pongs, hello to you, my dear friend. Mr. L, hello. Asterisk talaga. Hit. Hi, Hit. Is that hit or not a hit? I don't know what I'm talking about. Is that hit or not? Hi, shorty boy. Hello, shall we po? I the number, shall we? Hi, rider. Thank you, Rene, for liking. ID number, hello, the newcomer. Are you new here? ID number. Yes, of course, you are new here. Why should I ask you? Hi, Loikan. Hello, Josh. Just, shall we? Shall we, Josh? Just. Best friend, hello. Thank you for joining. Hi, Brian Mapalo. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining here. Okay. Thank you for joining 99. Alright. Welcome. Balikbayan kong balikbayan. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining here. I should put my hair at my back. Like this one. To look more. Like this. Some people wanna know. Supiandi. Hi, Supiandi. Thank you for joining. Wanna know. It's Kirby. Hello.
Yeah.
People. Alam, puti ko naman dito sa picture. La 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 eh. LP10, hi. Baby ko, hello. Brian. Hi, Brian Mapalo. Shall we? Auntie 34. Hello. Hi, Colin. Oh, Mr. Ice, you're back. Edola Gadis, how are you? You're back, Ice. What do you do for a living? Hi, Ice. What do you do for a living? Lailala, Lala, hello. I sleep for a living. Is that it? I sleep for a living. Amazing. Shall we have fun? Hi, Jeff. Wrong turn. Hello. Hello. You're so funny, my friend. Rodney, hello. Hi, Rodney. Hi, Sender Clouds. I don't know how to. Hi, Yung. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I know that is. Kanamers. Shall we ID number? Hi, Joey. Shall we po? Rocky A, hello. Thank you for joining, Lucky 9. Hi, Sudo. Shall we? Hi, guys. Thank you. Paano ba gawin to? How? Alin po ang paano gawin ito? Paano gawin po ang alin? I don't know what are you talking about. And I don't really know it. Sorry. You should be muted. Hi, Renante. Hi, Jeric. Suglarto, shall we? Sugyarto pa. Shall we po? Boss D, hello. Good morning. Thank you for following me, Jeric. ID number, shall we? Aray ko, hello. Hi, Kian. Bleble, hello. How are you, Blebe? Bleble, you're always here. Shall we hurry? Bogias, hello. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Andres. Lucky. Baby ko, hi. Ay, ID number, shall we? Huwego, hello.